Hey guys, and welcome back to KAI Cubing. In this video, I will be showing you guys the algorithms I use for the different LCOLLs. So the way we are going to recognize the LCOLLs is with these three corner sticker colors, and based on how they are opposite or same or different, we will be able to differentiate between the different COLL algorithms. So here is the first case, and in this case these two match and this one is not opposite to this one. In that case, then this is the algorithm R U2 R D R prime U2 R D prime R2 prime. Executed a little faster, the COLL algorithm should look something like this. This COLL algorithm is very similar to the last one. As you can see here, these two stickers are the same, but in this case, this is opposite to this. In that case, then you do a U prime move and you perform this algorithm. R prime U2 R prime D prime R U2 R prime D R2. Executed a little faster, the COLL algorithm should look something like this. So this next case is one of the most easiest of all the 6 COLL algorithms, and this is probably the one that you already know. In this case, these two stickers are opposite and these two are matching. In that case, then the algorithm goes like this. F R prime F prime R U R U prime R prime. Executed a little faster, the COLL algorithm should look something like this. This COLL algorithm is very similar to the last. These two stickers don't match, but these two stickers match. In that case, you do a U2 and then R prime U prime R U R prime F R U R prime U prime R prime F R2. Executed a little faster, this COLL algorithm should look something like this. In this case, these two stickers are opposite and this one does not match with that. In that case, you do a U move and then you do this algorithm. F prime R U R prime U prime R prime F R. Executed a little faster, this COLL algorithm should look something like this. This is the last of the 6 different LCOLLs. In this case, these two stickers are opposite and these two stickers don't match. In that case, you do a U2 and then you do this. R U2 R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U prime R prime. Executed a little faster, this COLL algorithm should look something like this. So thank you all so much for watching my video till the end. If you enjoyed this video or if you learned something new, then please be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future content. That's all for this video, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye!